Let's see if you guys can see this.
Oh my god, I see like 8 of them right now.
Is it really? I gotta try to find them. There we go. These guys are cedar waxwings. They're awesome birds.
They're very, very cool looking.
Yeah, they're
They
cool
look like
looking.
they're from the islands or something.
Yeah, they look tropical birds, but their coloring right now is
they're
fall,
nice.
so it's not all that great.
No, that's a fire. Or a lightning. But you can get them in C's.
I have.
Yeah,
And you just plug them right into your phone, put your card in.
it's hard to kind of see them right
I
now.
have that. I gotta get it back out. It's my stick. Gotta be like a stick.
You can pick up and
They are cool looking.
CNA.
Okay, bye.